So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on accounts. And now you're going to scroll down and then click on sign in options. And now you're going to scroll down again and then click on dynamic lock. You're going to unselect this. Allow Windows to automatically lock your device when you're away. You're going to unselect this. Make sure that it's not ticked. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in edit power plan. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to set both of these to never. And then click on save changes. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in change screensaver. Click on it. And then once you're on this, if you have this set to blank, I recommend setting it to either none or to something else, but just not blank. Anything other than blank, and then click on OK. This should now fix your problem.